To a primetime news follow-up now. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson says investigators are following strong leads into the killing of 3 people in Maverley, St. Andrew last week. Major General Anderson also reaffirmed their commitment to weeding out members of the JCF who are part of criminal gangs. Shamela Pullen has that report.
4 days after 3 people were shot and killed during a drive-by in Maverley, St. Andrew, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson says the police are making progress in tracking down the gangsters who committed the crime.
The good thing is we responded immediately. We actually had a running gun battle with them, with the criminals. They abandoned the car and escaped, but we have the car in our custody, and that we will apply the science that we have to that, and we will find them. As a matter of fact, already we have a good idea of who may have done it.
Major General Anderson also admitted that the police force has internal challenges with corrupt members being involved in gang activities, but he assured the Jamaicans that the law-abiding officers will arrest and bring corrupt cops to justice.
A lot of officers, when this happens, they feel down, because why would our members be involved in this? It doesn't. My point is this: it's the JCF arresting them, and it's the JCF ridding ourselves of elements in it that are pulling down all of us. And so as long as we do that, we're on the right path. That is what is important. We're a big organization, probably the biggest single organization in the Caribbean. And in that, you'll have the good, the bad, and the others.
The police commissioner said the police's resources are stretched, but pointed out that some of the positive results are due to more Jamaicans partnering with the police in the fight against crime.
With our campaign that we've been doing, in our communications campaign, our social media campaign, the reports into Crime Stop have increased by 72%. Massive changes, which is what we expect, which means we have a public that's coming on board with us. They recognize that as much as we do and change and grow, we still need the public on board with us to get where we want to go. And so the public has responded very well.
Major General Anderson made the comments while speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony for the Anchovy Police Station in St. James last week. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.